Hello, I'm Claudia from Harnet.es, and in this video I want to speak to you about this book that I just finished reading. It's called The One Thing, and it got recommended to me by people in a group I joined. I joined it at the beginning of 2018, and it's been amazing to be part of that group. It's called the Happy Boss Club, and it's hosted by Sarah from Creative and Coffee, and I recommend you to join it if you want to find other people in your situation, good friends, and exchange experiences. So they recommended me this book because I was saying I was struggling a lot to find my focus, to focus in only one thing or to choose what to do exactly. For the past months I've been traveling, and especially every time I had to move to a new country or to change the apartment or to go to a new place, I was feeling so overwhelmed. The days were passing and the day to move was coming, and I felt that my list of things to do was growing and growing instead of decreasing, and I felt so overwhelmed that I found myself stuck, not knowing what to do anymore and not even being able to do things. But now that I've been reading this book, I see things with another perspective. Now I understand productivity in another way, and I know that when you decide to focus in one thing, you are saying no to the others, and that's a good thing, because I was struggling so much to say no to something. Clients were coming to me, were asking me about things, they were saying it's so urgent, and I was feeling so bad to be dedicating time maybe to create these videos or to work for another client who was not saying it was that urgent. So I was all time rescheduling my list every day, every second, just depending on what others were deciding it was the priority. And that's not good, especially when you have big goals to achieve, because then you keep delaying your own things, you keep postponing your own goals, and you feel like you don't achieve nothing, like you don't finish your tasks. So I recommend you to read the book. It's very short, you can see, and I just read it like 10 minutes a day, but I think you can read it in a couple of hours. And yeah, I'm sure you will find very nice techniques. So for example, now I'm here in Essaouira, and in 2 days I have to go back to Barcelona, and I'm not feeling overwhelmed at all. I mean, I'm working every day with the one thing. I'm deciding what's the one thing I'm gonna do today. I do it, it arrives midday, and I have finished it, but if not, I will finish it in the afternoon, and when I go to bed I feel so good to have achieved my one thing. So I'm not feeling bad about saying no. I know when to schedule things, I know when to work for clients, when to work for my personal or business goals, and I feel good about it. And I wish you can feel the same. That's why I thought to do this video. And this is the title again, The One Thing. I'm sure, I bought it in Amazon, you can find it there too. I think there is even the audiobook. And yeah, I'm gonna read it again, I'm sure, in a few weeks. So I hope you find this video useful, and see you next week.